brother here. Hello everybody. Let's see some examples of the pulleys. We use pulleys in tape. For example, when I hold this and pull it, the pulley, which is this, is pulling itself. We also use pulleys when we are building high buildings. Like when we need cement from the ground and you're on the top of the building, you can use the pulley to get the cement up to the top. Here are some other examples. When we pull the pulley to pull the flag on the flag post, we use it. We also use pulleys in cars, trucks, cranes, and boats. I have created a pulley using the materials from my house. Hey, I'm going to do it. Okay. This is a pulley. This bottle lid is the main part of the pulley. This plastic container is the bucket or any other thing. This is my toy, but it can be anything you want. For this, to attach the bottle cap, I've used tape. See how it goes up and down? It is pulling itself. Hello, would you like to do that? Okay, sir. See how it's going? And it makes our work easier and we have to use less force. Thank you, here. Thank you, teacher. Now, I will show you how to use the well. We have been using pulleys since ancient times. For example, the well. I have used the adult's help to put this on. This stick is a metal skewer, or you can call it a barbecue stick. I can do it down and I can do it up. Yeah, you can do it up. That one down. See how it's going up and down? The thing that is doing it is the pulley. Looking up and down. That is how the pulley works.